In the heart of a divided nation, on a hallowed hill in Pennsylvania, Abraham Lincoln stood before a crowd of thousands. The year was 1863, and the nation was embroiled in a civil war that threatened to tear the fabric of the United States apart. On November 19, Lincoln, the 16th president, prepared to deliver a speech that would come to be known as the Gettysburg Address. This brief yet powerful oration was Lincoln's response to the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery, a final resting place for the Union soldiers who had fallen during the Battle of Gettysburg. As Lincoln took the stage, a somber silence fell upon the crowd. The air was heavy with the weight of the war, the loss, and the uncertainty of the nation's future. Lincoln's words, however, were a beacon of hope, a call to unity, and a testament to the enduring spirit of the American people. For 47 years ago, Lincoln began, his voice echoing across the battlefield. Our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Lincoln reminded the audience of the founding principles that had guided the nation since its inception. He spoke of a nation that was born out of the belief in the equal rights of all, regardless of race or creed. He emphasized the importance of preserving this vision, even in the face of war and division. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation so conceived and so dedicated, can long endure, Lincoln continued. He spoke of the sacrifices made by the fallen soldiers, and the need for the nation to stand united in their memory. Lincoln's words were a call to action. He urged the audience to ensure that this nation, under God, shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. The Gettysburg Address was a moment of unity and hope in a time of darkness. It served as a reminder of the ideals that the nation was founded upon, and the importance of preserving those ideals in the face of adversity. Lincoln's words continue to echo through history, a testament to the resilience and determination of the American people. In the years that followed, the Gettysburg Address became a symbol of the nation's struggle for unity and freedom. It stands today as a powerful reminder of the importance of holding fast to the principles upon which the United States was founded, and the enduring spirit of the American people.